Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2021 Nissan Frontier. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 5,000 miles on the odometer. You'll be ready for the job or off-road recreation in this remarkably affordable Frontier. Comfortable, capable, and hardworking, this popular midsize pickup is waiting just for you. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, fog lamps, electronic stability control, trailer hitch, floor mats, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Feel ready to meet the challenge in this capable Frontier. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.